Hello everyone, and today we are going to learn variables. So basically, a variable it represents an unknown value, and it's usually a letter of the alphabet, and it stands for unknown number. Okay, now a variable may only have one value, or it can change depending on the situation. And so here are some algebraic expressions, and it is algebraic expressions are a combination of numbers, variables, and at least one operation. So variables, like this is the variable, and this is so x multiplied by 5. So if x is 8, then this represents an unknown number. So 8 times 5, which is 40. So equals 40. Now, the next one, you might seem a bit puzzled at first because how do you know what x is? Well, basically, if you just look at it, 14 and 11, you need to find this unknown number. And it works as a placeholder. So basically x is a placeholder, and you need to find out that. So think of 14 minus 11. That's what you need to do, because you probably already know this, but 14 minus 11 is 3, so x is 3. And in this question, this is actually the coefficient, which is like how many times by the variable. So this is the variable, and this is the coefficient. And this is the constant. I don't know how to pronounce it, but so x. So if 5x is 20, then you can find out x by doing 20 divided by 5, because 5 x's can go into 20. So that you can basically just do division and do 20 divided by 5, which is 4. So you get x is 4. Now on to our last question. X minus 5 equals blank. So x minus 5 equals blank. Well, let's just, we're just gonna make, I'm gonna just come up with a sum. Let's do 13. So x minus 5 equals 13. Well, think of it like this one again. So x minus 5. So you think of it like there's so x minus 5 equals 13. So you can basically just do 13 plus 5, which is 18. So x is 13. 18, I meant. And we can check, literally, we can just do 18 minus 5. Well, of course, it's 13. Now, I hope you get a sense of what variables are, and good luck with algebra.